Romania. Romania, a country in the Balkan Peninsula, is full with contrasts. The Romans, who gave the nation its name, the Hungarians, and the Ottomans have all had ownership of the former Eastern Bloc nation over the years. It is dotted with charming historic villages, ski resorts in the mountains, and an emerging creative scene. However, its most well-known inhabitant might be the vampire, Dracula, a made-up figure from Transylvania. There is certainly no shortage of history in Romania. There are numerous medieval castles throughout the nation, particularly in Sighisoara, which has a historic core and Gothic-era, cobblestone neighborhoods. Even more history can be found in Brasov, where you may visit the Bran castle from the 14th century to discover out where Dracula actually lived. Danube Delta. Romania is home to the bulk of the Danube Delta, the second largest river delta in Europe. The Danube Delta, which was formerly a part of the Black Sea, is a good location to view wildlife. It has some of the largest wetlands in the world as well as numerous rare kinds of plants and animals. It also has 23 different ecosystems. Cluj-Napoca. Cluj-Napoca, which has the largest university in the nation, is regarded as the unofficial capital of the Transylvanian historical region. One of Romania's major centers for the arts and culture is the city, which predates Roman colonialism. Cluj-Napoca, which has a sizable Hungarian community, has a statue dedicated to a Hungarian monarch, Momea. The most well-liked seaside destination in Romania is Momea, which lies on the Black Sea. Despite being small, Momea is located on an 8 kilometers (4.5 miles) long sliver of land. Great white sand beaches are available there, perfect for relaxing or people watching. Although Momea has a water park, there aren't many kid-friendly activities there. However, some sessions at the windsurfing school could be fun for adults. Timisoara. Timisoara, one of Romania's biggest cities, is situated in the western part of the nation and dates back to the early 13th century. It was the first European city to use electric street lamps, and it was once a part of the Ottoman Empire. After suffering severe bomb damage from both sides during World War II, the city has recovered. The Timisoara Orthodox Cathedral, unlike many cathedrals in Europe, was only constructed in the 20th century, but the interior, which is distinguished by its 11 towers, is home to several ancient religious artifacts and early icon paintings. Bucharest. In Bucharest, old and new coexist together, a century-old structure, a contemporary skyscraper, and a communist-era structure could all be found in the same block. The largest parliament building in the world, with 3,100 rooms and 12 floors, is located in this modernizing European metropolis. The spectacular edifice, built in 1984, is regularly open for tours throughout the day. The Old Town area of Bucharest, with its congested cobblestone lanes and historic structures like medieval cathedrals, is another must-see in the city. Sina. A monastery bearing Mount Sinai's name gave rise to the mountain tourist community of Sina. Today, visitors enjoy trekking in the summer and fantastic downhill skiing in the winter at the monastery, which houses a copy of the first Bible written in Romania. In close proximity to here, King Charles erected Peli's Castle, which is currently a well-liked tourist destination. The town is known for its lovely flowers, but anyone who picks them risks getting into trouble because it is not permitted. Painted monasteries. The painted monasteries of Bukovina in the northeastern region of the country are among the most gorgeous sights in all of Romania. Extensive 15th and 16th century paintings, depicting portraits of saints and prophets, scenes from the life of Jesus, pictures of angels and demons, and representations of heaven and hell are painted on the outside walls of these buildings. The monasteries in Humor, Moldavita, Patroti, Prabota, Susiva, Susvita, and Voronezh are the best preserved. Brasov. Brasov, a city in the center of Romania, is home to an exciting mix of old-world charm and modern city life. The city is regarded as a mountain resort with amenities for skiing and ice skating because the Carpathian Mountains surround it. The Black Church, a Gothic cathedral so named because smoke from a significant fire in the 17th century turned the stones black, is a must-see. The country's smallest street, Rope Street, may potentially be worth a stroll for tourists. Sibiu. Early 12th century records exist for Sibiu, which was formerly a part of Hungary. Transylvania, where the city is situated, is known for its vampires, notably Dracula, but it is extremely improbable that modern travelers will encounter any. Visitors will instead discover the Grand Square, which has been in use since the 15th century, and Baroque structures like Brukentarı Palace, which houses one of the oldest museums in the world. Additionally, tourists may want to keep an eye out for the remains of medieval fortifications that were once used to defend the city hundreds of years ago. Sighisoara, which is also in Transylvania, is renowned for its beautifully maintained walled town and is one of the top tourist destinations in Romania. The King of Hungary encouraged German craftsmen and traders known as the Transylvanian Saxons to reside here and guard the border in the 12th century. Here, they built the citadel that is visible to visitors as well as a busy trading town. In the 14th century, it was later increased in size. In the historic citadel, a medieval festival is held each July. The clock tower, a 64-meter, 210-foot high tower constructed in 1556, is the city's most recognizable